Hello everyone, Camille here from Morfosoaps. Thanks for joining me with this soap making video today. So today we are making an Easter soap, Easter themed soap. And for that I will go with a layered design, just different type of layered design. You will see it as we do the soap. Just in the beginning I just wanted to show the pictures that I'm using. So we have 4 colors. I will be using the blue shimmer, which is mica. And then we will use the green Force of Nature by Nurture Soap. And then the yellow neon will be from Kendora Soap. It's called Yellow Hello. And then the pink one from Nurture Soap, it's Material Girl. In terms of fragrance, I used a mix of those two, black chamomile and then the bergamot and white tea fragrance oil. I'm hoping with the mix of fragrance I don't have issues, but again, because I'm doing a layered design, so I'm not really worried about thickening. As long as I can pour it right away, I will be okay. And because for the Easter the color should be pastel, so I'll be using some titanium dioxide dispersible in oil in each one of them. So I will go ahead, add the colors, stick blend this one. Oh, these ones, they have the oils. So we have coconut oil, cocoa butter, shea butter. We have olive oil, castor oil, and we have all the additives. We have organic coconut milk, colloidal oatmeal, kaolin clay, and also organic aloe vera juice for the lather. So, and then we will add the lye to each one of them separately. So I'll pause you for a second, mix in the colors, and then we will start with the layered design, one after the other. So this is how the colors they look like. So this is the pink one, this is the yellow. So I will start with the blue, and then I'll do yellow after, then green, then pink. So I'll move them away. I'll keep the yellow here. And then the pour, I'm using the lid from the mold. And then the mold will be tilted on the lid. You see this way. Okay. So this is the first one. I'm gonna stick blend it again because they were sitting. I was preparing the lye. This is all good. So that's the first layer. As I mentioned, we have the lye water solution that has Tassa silk added in. So from the master batch, I'm measuring the smaller batches. So let's see how it will behave. I'm not a big fan of mixing fragrances because I've learned it the hard way. Like, I've had fragrances that really behave well, but when I mix them, they behaved really bad. So I will not stick blend more than this, just in anticipation of any acceleration. That's the first layer, and then I'll see accordingly. If I see that it's taking a long time to settle, then next time we will stick blend more. And because I know the measurement of the mold, these ones, for the ease of measuring, I have 15 ounces in each of them, but this one takes about 56 ounces. So from each one of them, I have to remove a little bit. So I have in the back a little mold that I use small shapes. So now that we poured the first one, I just have to wait for it to settle. Once it's set, let me move it a little bit. Yeah. Once this is set, I will tilt it the other way around. So we pour the next layer, and then I do the same for the 4. I'll bring you back. So this layer is almost set up. Like, when you shake the mold, it's not moving much. I will go ahead and start mixing the yellow one, but I'm a little bit concerned about this color. So some micas, this is the first time I use this blue shimmer mica. Some micas, they do that, but then after saponification, like the next day when we cut the soap, it might come back to blue. I really hope so. If not, well, it's a gray color. that is out of control, because it looks gray for me now, but I can see on the sides some shades of blue. Behaved well, so why not stick blend more, so we wait less, because I had to wait almost 5 minutes, even more, for that layer to set up. And I would say it's not really 100% set up yet, but it's definitely workable right now. So you see, we stick blend more, and this is still like, I would say, medium trace. Now we have to turn it the other way around and pour into this side here. I'll pour on the spatula, just in case the supposedly blue color is not very set up. We don't want to break a hard pour. I guess that's enough. So now we're doing the pink layer, and the more time elapses, the more the blue color changes to a different color. It was gray, now it looks like a light brown color. So we will see tomorrow what we will get. I usually wipe it after with tissues, but I'll do it when I pause the video. For now, we're just mixing the pink. And then we will we will switch the mold into the other side again, and we will pour here. You see the color? Well, the yellow is really nice and bright. The pink also looks promising. Let's go with the spatula. And let's fix this. Try to reduce the air bubbles. Tap it a little bit. And that's it. I'll bring you back for the last one. And here we are with the last layer, the green one. I'll add the lye water. But that is like, I've used this color before. It's supposed to be stable. Again, let's wait for tomorrow and see what we will get. And this is the last layer, so we have to turn it and just pour until we top the mold. I think I will cover this mold and let it set up and go into the gel. Hoping that those colors will come back bright. But of course, before we do that, we have to spritz it with alcohol to avoid soda ash. And I'll tap it a little bit. That's it. Then we cover it, and we'll see you back tomorrow when we cut the soap. Hello guys, so this is the next day. We are removing the lid. So far the green looks nice. We have a nice pastel green color. I'm so nervous about the blue. If you remember the blue color, the first layer we poured. Let's see, sneak peek. The yellow looks nice. The blue's purple, but it's okay. At least it's a color. It didn't turn like brown or gray or something like that. So still, purple is a nice color. But that's a very good thing to know about this fragrance oil, that the blue will turn into purple. I mean, I'm not sure if it's the fragrance or the mica itself. I would have to test that mica in a test batch, probably without any colorant. So you see, that's a purple color. And that's the pink, that's the yellow. The design will look like this, probably. Okay, let's cut it. Enough talking. And see what we got. And here we go. These bars look really beautiful, just the way I wanted them to look like. Oh, but sorry, from the outside it looked purple, but the inside is actually blue. Interesting. I love that that mica then. I was very nervous on how it will look like. I believe the outer space, the purple one, will turn back into blue once it cures. Colors are so nice. Yeah. I'll stem them, put them to cure, and that's it. We'll see you again, guys, next week with another soap making. Until then, take care of yourselves, stay safe, be positive, and keep smiling. Take care. See you. Bye.